Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to Teacher Tip Tuesday. The tip I wanted to give you today is a tool that everybody has access to, and it is a powerhouse of a tool, and that is your Google Sites. Okay. Google Sites can be used for a plethora of things, but today I want to talk about making a Google site for your classroom. Okay. And I have a couple examples that I'm going to show you. This is my Google site that I use, all of you in the district. If you check your email, you're familiar. This is the Scotty Scoop website, and this was made using Google Sites. So a great way to share information, to link items, and all the things. But for many of you, you're saying, Yonker, how does this pertain to me? A Google site is a great way to be able to make a site for either your classroom or your subject level, your team, and then you can share that out to parents to keep parents informed. Parents will have a one-stop shop that they can go to, that they can see syllabus, announcements, expectations, Google calendars if you're using Google Classroom. And when you assign an assignment in Google Classroom, it automatically creates a calendar. And so all of those things would be there for parents to see, and they can say, oh, my child has this assignment due, this week, and they can kind of help them navigate and be better time managers and things like that. So this, of course, is the Scotty Scoop, and you can link various pages. You see we have all these pages across here of our different publications, and you can link this, like let's say you're a language arts teacher, maybe you have a tab for vocabulary, maybe you have a tab to highlight fluency things and things like that. Same thing for math, your different units and whatnot. You could have different tabs and pages for those. Maybe you have a tab where you want to showcase things that are going on in your classroom. You can link your social medias here, so they come to this site and they can see the feeds for your social medias as well, and so they can see all the things that are going on in your classroom and they are up to date. So again, you can link these pictures that will take you to these pages, which is what I've done here. So if they click on a picture, it's going to take them directly to that page that's linked in the site. And then, of course, you can embed all the things that you want directly from your Google Drive here. I do want to caution you when you do that, and I'm guilty of this before, make sure that you have adjusted the share settings, that whatever documents that you're posting on your Google Classroom, that it is open for anyone to view. Okay, you don't want them to be able to make changes to it. So again, you can just link things here. You can embed YouTube videos. So let's say maybe you have a homework tab on your page and you're like, okay guys, tonight you have a homework assignment. This is a little refresher of what we went over in class, and this is how you should complete your homework assignment. You can do a video like this, embed it in your website, send it out to parents. I'm a big fan of Classroom Dojo, especially for you elementary teachers. So you could say, here's the link to our website. On the homework tab is directions for tonight's homework. You could do spelling words and things like that. So many opportunities for you to get information out to parents. Elementary people, if you want to make like a class web page, you could do that as well. And so you could list your teachers at the top, and they can post things that are relevant to their classroom. And then your whole grade level has a one-stop shop for anything. So, they can check out all the information, Google calendars, supply list, all those things. But then I wanted to show you this. This is what it looks like when you embed a Google Calendar. So for each of your Google Classrooms, you can see if you have any upcoming assignments, parents would be able to see right here, okay, this is what their week looks like, this is what's coming up, and things like that. So you can embed your syllabus and different things like that, so your parents know very clearly your expectations, how to contact you, what's expected, and what's coming up for the semester. All right. So that is my Teacher Tip Tuesday this week. Short and sweet. Google Sites, huge powerhouse way to share and spread information to parents. All right. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. We'll see you guys next Tuesday.